Hello. So this is the Colorpop liquid lip. This is one of the glitter ones that I'm reviewing. I got it during the Black Friday sale. I really like it. I think it's kind of considered more of a topper or like a gloss, but I mean, I probably will use it as something to go over like a matte lip. So here's what it actually looks like. This color is Starburst, and the whole thing is kind of like hollow theme, including the packaging, which I liked. I like that. Pretty extra for it being like $6. And it's got a lot of like glitter. It's completely clear, as you can see, and it just has like pink and blue sparkles. So I like it because it's very subtle, but it is a little more kind of girly girl, glitzy. Also, it's very, it sticks to your lips, but it doesn't have a weird texture. The consistency is very smooth. It doesn't bother you. You actually probably wouldn't even notice you're wearing it. It's more like a lip balm kind of like Carmex. Um, it smells really nice. It smells like vanilla, which that's one of the things I like about Kylie. That I've also noticed Colourpop kind of has that same quality. But anyway, there's that color. I'm not going to show you what it looks like over a matte, but I maybe will in a different video. So I've never done video reviews before. If you like this, like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.